The xamCalendar control allows you to have a user interface where end users could select single dates or a range of dates, as well as change the different scales of date views. So for example, we can select one date and you can access the selected date property, or if you set it up so that you allow your end users to select a range of dates, as you see here, you can access the selected dates property, which essentially contains all the values, or the range of values within the selection. And a couple of other things that I wanted to explain is that this is essentially one control set up so that there are several calendar item groups visible at the same time. So this one control has been configured to show 3x2 calendar item groups, and each calendar item group essentially is a calendar that contains the header, the days of the week, or if you also want to show the week number next to each one of these weeks, and whatever it is, whatever the scale is that you're looking at. So right now we're looking at the day view. You could also jump up a level to month view, and these are all the different months that you can select. So I could say I want to jump to December, I could do that. And then we also have the year view, so if I jump up another level, these are different years that I could select. As you notice, I'm going to a much higher range. You could also use these elements here to kind of scroll the various years through the list. And notice how my selected item, or my active item, is moving to the appropriate calendar item group range. And then we also have decade view, so if I jump up another level, these are decade ranges, so from 2300 to 2309 and so forth, still iterating through these decade ranges. And finally, the final and most highest one is the century range, so these are various centuries. So then you just essentially navigate to the date that you're interested in until you hit the day itself, and then you select it, or the range of dates. Also notice how if you click on various parts of the calendar that exceed the current view, everything scrolls over into that month that you're interested in clicking on. So navigation is very intuitive, selecting dates is very intuitive, and you get really nice animations as well. So use this in your applications for whenever you want to allow your end users to pretty much provide parameters to your methods related to dates or date ranges.
Infragistics. On the web at infragistics.com.